Hey guys, getting ready to change the flashers on my 3rd gen Camaro. Gonna put some LED flashers in here, 1985 Camaro to be exact. Alright, so both of the flashers are located underneath the dash. They will both be behind the OBD1 port. Alright, so right behind your OBD1 port there's a black box attached to a metal housing you'll want to pull down. It's like a lever attached to it, and then you'll see the gray stock flasher up top. Alright, so I replaced the flasher, got it clipped back in. I just moved it to a lower location for easier access. Okay, so you guys see the new LED flasher in. The second one is located actually underneath that black box. So you'll need to open that up and pull it down, and the second stock flasher will be located beneath that. Okay, so here I'm opening that black box, and then you'll be able to see the other flasher sitting right here beneath it. Alright, so I switched that other flasher out, so I got both of the LED flashers in. Now I just need to button everything back up. Just make sure that while you're swapping the new LED flasher that you ground both of the wires. That's critical, and they will not work without being grounded.